Hi, I'm Amory, the inventor of the Paggle travel pillow. Thank you so much for your interest in the Paggle. I'm going on a trip in a couple weeks, and I thought I'd just take this opportunity to show you how I would pack it for a long journey. Come with me.
We're going to Florida, so I'm packing a lot of clothes for warm weather. Here is a sleeveless dress that I'm putting in first because it's one of the bigger items. And then on top of that is a short sleeve shirt. I like to roll things. That seems to work best for packing. I'm putting in a pair of underwear just to round out those corners. And here is the Paglet with 3 other pairs of underwear. So I'm set for a little while. And on the other side, there's a pocket that fits the passport exactly. And then there's another long sleeve shirt, just in case I get cold on the flight. I like to have a long sleeve shirt. And then I'll round out that corner with a pair of socks. And on the sides, I put the things that I need during my trip, like my earplugs, aspirin, toothbrush, toothpaste. And then cover that up with something soft, like a short sleeve shirt. And at the very end, I like to put in my earbuds in the front of the Paggle so they're always easily accessible for my flight. And then I zip that up, and here is the Paggle fully packed. It is the same size as your average travel pillow, but has some useful items in it. If you know of anybody who would love a packable travel pillow, please send them this link and video. Thank you.